Hey guys, real quick before the video starts, I just want to give a quick shout out to Dawson Reviews. His channel is called The Wild God. I'll leave a link to his channel and his video up in the iCard over here. And he put a lot of work in his video and it really shows. Just give him some love. He deserves it. So go check out his video once you're done with mine and enjoy my video. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video, and this is a lightsaber from Rebel Sabers. They are a lesser known saber company, and I'm also going to be doing another video with the saber, comparing the whole experience of getting the saber with getting my Ultra saber that I may or may not have done a video on. I actually have no idea. So let me just start doing the tape real quick, and I'll yeah. Okay, so I'm back. I just had to set up my phone, and I had to find a really improvised method to set my phone up because I'm not at my house. Well, I am at one of my houses. Yeah. Long story short, I have multiple houses, or really, I should say my parents do. Doesn't really matter because I'm only 17. So if you think a 17-year-old living with their parents is weird, I don't care. Jesus Christ. They used a lot of tape on this box. This would help if I had an actual knife instead of a pair of scissors. So overall, so far, just the box alone is nicer than the Ultra Sabers box because they just used a regular old cardboard box, plain brown, kind of boring. Which, is kind of nice if you don't want someone stealing your package, but then again, if someone's stealing a lightsaber, they probably have no life. Let me try just ripping through this. That did not work. Okay. Well, then I'm going to have to go through this side. Jesus. God damn it. Shit. Ah, fuck. God damn it. Okay. Okay, so I just cut myself, and I just wrapped my finger up with a paper towel, and I used some tape because I want to get this video done. So, yeah, when you're opening up your package, be a little more patient. Now, I really hope I don't hurt myself because I'm going lefty now. I'm just going to go grab an actual knife instead of scissors. Okay, grab something more dangerous, but it's actually going to work better for for the box because it's a razor. Now, don't open anything with a razor if you value not cutting your hand off, because these are incredibly sharp. And when I tell you that they're sharp, I mean it because I cut the tip of my thumb off earlier this year. So, yeah. It's not bleeding that bad, just so you know. I just improvised a bandage. Now I'm going to put this on the other side of the table so I don't end up somehow cutting myself. Take it good. Okay, so they tape both sides, but I don't care. So let me grab my phone out of this ghetto cup that I'm using to hold it up. So in it came, taped it down, of course. 1 second. Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you right now how to really just use the saber. Turn it on from wake mode, change the volume, color, and just literally everything about it and how to put it back into sleep mode. Just note it will go into sleep mode if you leave it alone for 10 minutes. So to turn it on, you hold down the button while it's completely dark for 3 seconds. Now it's on and it is on no sound. To change the sound, you hold it down for 1 second and it will blink once and say
Loud sound.
Release loud sound, which means it's going to be insanely loud. I'm going to turn it to softer sound.
Softer sound.
To change the setting of the blade from stable to unstable, then pulse. You hold it down for 2 seconds, and it will blink twice.
Pulse.
Pulse, which is pulsing. Unstable, I'm just going to show it really quickly because it is a strobe light effect, kind of. If you have epilepsy, skip ahead a couple seconds. Okay, yeah, now I'm going to change it again to stable, I think. No, yeah, stable, right? I have no idea.
Stable.
Yeah, stable. Okay, so now this will be just a solid blade. To change the sound font, you hold it down for 3 seconds. Ben Solo. I'm just going to go to the Dark Saber font or whatever.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
The next one will be
you have something
Dark Saber.
I want.
So to ignite the blade, you just tap the button once. To change the blade, you hold this down for 2 seconds and it will blink twice. Now I'm going to do that again. Hold it down for 2 seconds. Blinks twice. Now you hold it down. And I'm just going to change it to green. Yep. Then you have to lock it in by pressing the button again. Then I'm just going to, instead of turning it off right now, I'm going to show you, press it once. Oh, I held it down earlier. So to the blaster effect, you press it once. To do the saber lock, you hold it down for a second. It will blink once. Then you press the button. And to turn the blade off, you hold it down for 3 seconds. So after that, what else? Then you hold this button down for 10 seconds to completely turn off the saber.
I'm Cal Kestis.
It will switch fonts. Then it will go to turn off completely.
Power off.
It'll say power off. And yeah, that is just everything you need to know about operating the saber itself. Now I'm going to show you the different colors and sound fonts, okay? So right now I have it set to the Cal Kestis sound font, and it is going to be a light blue, like a cyan. I don't really know how to pronounce it. And the reason I did that is to show some variety, and 2, because you can change your color to light blue in the game. Okay, next will be, I think, Ben Solo. I'll do a blue pulse for that. So now it's set to Ben Solo, and it's blue pulse blade. Next is, I believe, Luke's saber. I'm going to set it to green and stable. So now it is Luke's, even though the sound font is the Anakin Luke saber and also technically Rey's saber. I'm setting it to green because I want to show a variety of colors. Now it is Darth Vader solid red blade. Now it is the Kylo Ren sound font and a pulsing blade, because the unstable is not good. And now it's off. So now I have it set to the Dark Saber sound font and a somewhat white blade. It is the Rebel Saber's white setting, but it doesn't really show up in person as really white. But so it turns out it shows up pink, but on the camera it will show up more. It will show up eventually a little more white. Now I'm just going to turn the sound off and then cycle the color. So right now it is set to red and I have the sound off. And I'm going to hold down the button for 2 seconds and blinks. Now I'm just going to hold down the blade. It will take a second to start changing, but it'll go orange to yellow to green almost immediately. Now it's green, then it's going to go to from green to light blue and then blue pretty quickly. Then it's going to go from blue to white, but it's first going to stop at a light blue. Now it's going to white. Now it's going to go from a light blue into a purple, pink, and then red. And then now it's red again. To lock it in, just press the button, it'll flash. Now I'm just going to turn off the saber. So overall it is pretty easy to use, and it's actually a very nice saber to use. And now I'm just going to turn the saber off completely, but first I'm going to turn the sound on.
Loud sound. Softer sound.
Softer sound, now I'm going to turn it off completely.
I'm Cal Kestis.
Now it's off. So if you like that video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check out Dawson's review over here. Check out his channel, The Wild God, over here. Subscribe to my channel over here. And check out another video over here.